Again, Dr. Park, what are your predictions on the demand for especially COVID-19 testing?
Infection specialists told me that it would take at least 3 years of COVID to settle down as an endemic disease from epidemic. So demand for COVID would diminish but not go away. It is a professional view. And the other industry view, IVD industry sources are talking about that it will last more than 5 years at 30% peak capacity. And this is the Korean perspective. So COVID will not go away easily. Remember that very small people are making COVID flu hybrid or combo testing. Combination could go far. Molecular market could shrink, but molecular POC would have its role. Point of care antigen antibody test could have a relative increase in its role.
Thank you, Dr. Park. That is very helpful for our establishing any strategy in our laboratories. Thank you again, Dr. Park. And